Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to transform your Samsung lock screen from this to this. We will create this depth effect with the clock behind the subject and this smooth animation when you unlock your phone. You don't need any complex workarounds. Just make sure your phone is running the latest One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. To create this setup, we are going to use the LockStar module inside the Good Lock app. If you don't have the Good Lock app installed yet, I have a step-by-step installation guide linked in the description of this video. You can watch that first, then come back to this video. Without further ado, let's dive into it. To create this lock screen effect, you need an image with a clear subject. This makes it easier for the phone to separate the subject from the background. Here in my gallery, I have a few images that work well with this setup. For example, this one here, you can see the subject right here in the front, and also you can see a clear separation between the subject and the background. I also have this one here, this one here, this one, which you can clearly see the main subject and the background. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this dark image. To separate the main subject from the image, tap and hold the subject, and the Samsung image clipper will detect the subject and separate it from the background, as you can see. Once the subject is selected, release your finger and you will see a pop-up menu at the top. Tap on these three dots and then tap Save as Image. This will save the subject as a separate cutout image in your gallery. Go to the left, you can see here your main subject. Now that you have the cutout image ready, the next step is to open the Good Lock app. I keep mine inside this folder, so I'm gonna tap here on the Good Lock app to open it. Inside the Good Lock app, find the LockStar module. If you don't have the LockStar installed yet, scroll through this list of modules. When you find LockStar here, tap on Download to download and install it. In my case, I already have LockStar installed here, so I'm going to tap here to open the LockStar module. So this is the main page of the LockStar module. Now let's start customizing our lock screen. The first thing we have to do here is to select our background image. To do that, tap here on this image icon. Then inside here, let's tap here on Gallery. Now here, let's select the image that we want to use for the lock screen. In this case, is this one here. I'm gonna tap here to select and then tap here on Done. And this will take us back to the LockStar main page. Now we can start making the changes we want. For this image, I'm going to enlarge it a little bit. Maybe I will increase it a little bit more. Just like this. Now the next thing to do is to change the clock design. So I'm gonna tap here on the clock, and this will bring this pop-up window at the bottom where you can select the clock design that you want. In this case, I have this one selected here, but as you can see, you have a lot of options. If you scroll it to the right, you'll see that you have more options to select from. For this tutorial, I'm going to select probably this one here. Yeah, this one is fine. Now what I'm going to do next is to increase the size of this clock. And to do that, you just tap and hold this corner and then drag it. You will increase the size. I think this one is perfect. If you tap again, it will bring this window. You can select here on Style, and from the style, you have the option to select this style here or this style. In this case, I'll keep this one here. And you have the option to show the weather. As you can see, I have the weather right here at the top. If you tap here, you will remove the weather. If you tap again, you'll put the weather. And if you toggle off this option, the date and the weather goes below the time, as you can see here. In my case, I like this option on, so I have the date and the weather at the top of the time. For the clock design, I think this one is perfect now. So I'm gonna tap here to close this window. The next change we are going to make is the fingerprint animation. As you can see here, I have the fingerprint icon here. So I'm going to tap here and it will bring different animations for the fingerprint. If you don't want animation, you just have to tap here to toggle this option off. But if you want, enable this option, and from here, select the animation that you want. As you can see, you have a bunch of animations. You have this one here, this one here, this one, and also this one. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this one here. To close this window, what you have to do is just tap here outside and it will close. Now let's see in action the changes we've done so far. But before that, we have to save the work we've done here. To save, just tap here on done. Now let's go to the lock screen. Now, as you can see, we have here the image, the clock, and the weather right there at the top. And let's try here to unlock. For the fingerprint, as you can see, we also have this cool animation. Now let's go back to the LockStar page. You don't have to always come to the Good Lock app to access the LockStar module. Because you have it installed on your device, you can go straight to the module, tap on it to open. Now here, tap on LockStar, then tap on App Widgets. Scroll down until you find Gallery. Here, tap there, and then tap on Add Widget. And your Gallery widget will be added to the page. You can tap and hold the widget and then drag it to position it anywhere. Now let's tap on this widget. Then tap here on Widget Settings on this gear. Tap on Images to show. And from here, let's select Images. Now here, what we are going to select is the cutout subject from the original image. In this case, this one here. So I'm going to tap here to select and then tap here on Done. As you can see here, we have the main subject without the background. Under Display Method, tap there and let's select Stretch to Fill widget. Now we have the entire subject inside the widget box. To finish here, tap on Save. And this will take us to the main LockStar page. Now here, what we are going to do is to resize this widget to fit on top of the image that we have on the background. To do this, tap, hold and drag any corner of this widget to resize it. I think this one is perfect now, and to close this pop-up window right here at the bottom, just have to tap outside and that window will be closed. As you can see, now I have the clock behind the subject. If you want, you can resize the clock a little bit more. I think the clock is perfect now. Let's save the work we've done here and check how it looks in the lock screen. I think my lock screen looks much better now. To finish, let's add one more animation. Let's go back to LockStar. Let's tap on LockStar and then let's tap on Unlock Animation. So here you have the option to select an animation for your device when it unlocks. If you want it, the first thing you have to do is to enable this option. Just tap here to enable. Right here below, you have different type of animation and a lot of selection to choose from. If you tap here, for example, slide, Right here at the top, you have a preview of the animation. You have the option to select expand, spread, wave. If you keep pushing that to the right, you will see that you have more options. And the one that I like is this one here. So I'm gonna tap here. Depending on the type of animation you select, you will see that down here, your options changes as well. For example, if you select glitch, this one here, you will see here that you have different options to control this glitch animation. If you select paint, you will see here that you have different options for this animation. For this tutorial, I'm going to select this one here, which is the animation that I like. I'm gonna set this to clockwise. I'm gonna leave animation type default option selected. And down here in interpolator, I'm gonna select bouncer, which is this option here. Most of the time you have the default option, which is that one, but I like the bouncer option. Once you're done here, what you have to do is just tap here to go back. Once again, tap on save to save your changes. And let's see the changes we've made. Now we have this cool lock screen and animation when we unlock our device. And that's how you create the depth effect and a cool unlock animation on your Samsung lock screen. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more customization tutorials. If you want to take your setup even further, I also made a complete guide on how to use the LockStar module from the Good Lock app. Click the video on the screen or the link in the description of this video to watch it next. I'll see you there.